Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one, man. Now check this out. Today, on my YouTube channel, I thought it would be cool if I showed y'all how to tag and monetize a YouTube video so you increase your CPM, which will in turn increase your revenue on YouTube. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy, Yon World. Now, today, on my YouTube channel, I'm about to share a couple secrets with y'all, something that YouTubers don't normally share with y'all, and this is how to tag and monetize a video the right way so you can earn more money on YouTube. Now, right now we're in YouTube Studio. We're in the video details of a new video I just created, and this is how it looks before it goes public. Now, first thing first, you need a title. I recommend an even balance between caps and lower caps. But as you can see, this video right here, the title is how to promote a YouTube video, Google Ads, Sprizzy, YouTube Ads. These are all keywords. How to promote a YouTube video is a keyword, Google Ads is a keyword, Sprizzy is a keyword, YouTube Ads is a keyword. And I'm about to show you how I pick the best keywords to put in my videos so I'm found more in search, because I noticed from my analytics, let me just show you very quick. I noticed from my analytics that most of my reach comes from YouTube search traffic. If you see right here, 62% of my viewers come from YouTube search traffic. So I want to teach y'all how to show up more in search, and you do that by providing the correct title. As you can see, the proper title and the proper description and tags. So for my description on every video, I have saved in notes a list of affiliate offers that I automatically put in my description, right? Which is my official website, a playlist on Yon World, Linktree, Apple Music, things about Bitcoin, Amazon, a Sprizzy affiliate, TubeBuddy, DistroKid, Max Bounty, ClickBank, Amazon Prime, Robinhood, and I also always put an about, like a description about what Yon World is at the bottom of every single video. I learned that from a big YouTuber also. And then you can also add tags. Now, YouTube allows you to add up to 15 tags, but they only show the first 3. So you can add tags anywhere in the description. You just have to add a hashtag in the word, no spaces. And you can see the hashtags I'm picking right here. Sprizzy, Google Ads, YouTube Ads, Earn Money, Online. And hashtags are a very untapped method on YouTube, and this will also help you rank in the search results. If you search any of these hashtags, you'll probably see my videos a lot in other content creators, but sometimes when you make a hashtag, you're the first one to make it. So I recommend learning about hashtags and adding hashtags to your videos, because it can help you generate more views if people search a hashtag and you're the only video that pops up. So this one we're going to say make money online, and I like to add the title also to the description. Copy that and add the title at the beginning of it. You can add a little bit extra here if you want, but for now we're just going to save that. Next, we're gonna go to the tags. I use a service called VidIQ. So I know you probably see these little bars and stuff on the side of my video details in the back end on YouTube, but this is normally not here. And this is a plugin extension called VidIQ. You can download one similar. I have a link in the description. It's called TubeBuddy. But what I do, I basically boost this video, and it allows me to see the high volume tags and the videos with similar tags that are doing very well right now that I could use. So you see, once you add one tag, it automatically shows you the videos to gain views from that are doing a lot of views per hour. See, this video is doing 380 views per hour. So it's saying use some of these tags. So, I take a couple of those tags. That's a high performing video. And add a couple more from our titles, Brizzy, Google Ads, YouTube Ads. We make sure we get every keyword in from our title. How to promote a YouTube video. Right. And let me just go in a little further on VidIQ. If you click this little button, you can see you can actually see the search volume in the competition. So the keyword how to promote your YouTube channel has a search volume of 288,000 monthly searches, and the competition is very low. That brings the overall score to a 69 to 100, which is pretty good. Anything over a 50 to 100 overall score is pretty good. So you can use this tool VidIQ, and you can see the search volume of keywords and the competition. So what you want in this scenario, you want a high search volume and a low competition. So you want to add all the keywords with a high number of searches. You see these searches, and then you see a low competition, right? You don't want to add keywords with no search volume. These keywords have no search volume. You want to go through and be selective and add keywords with only search volume and a low to medium competition. That's how you get more views. So you see I'm adding all of the keywords with low competition and a high search volume. And you can only add up to 500 characters, so we're gonna remove that one. We got 500 keywords right there. So we're gonna save that. We got some of the best keywords. And then you get a VidIQ score. You want to get this VidIQ score as close to 50 before you go live as possible, because once the video is published and it's live, the algorithm will play with it, and then this score will increase because it'll rank you for certain keywords once it's live. Once the video live, it starts ranking you for these keywords. So your VidIQ score will increase. So rule of thumb is before you go live, you should have close to 50. You should have close to a 50 SEO score before you publish it, before the algorithm gets it. Now, next is the monetization of a YouTube video. So a golden rule, to earn more money, to increase your CPM on YouTube. Now you have to make your video at least 8 minutes. This video that we're working on right now is 12 minutes. So you need to make your video at least 8 minutes every single time you make a YouTube video. It doesn't have to be, every time, if you feel like making a 2-minute video today, make a 2-minute video. But when you want to make the most money on YouTube, you need to drop an 8-minute video every single day. So we're in the back on the video monetization right now. And you can see when you select the monetization on, add overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, and then right here, location of video ads. Now, once it's over 8 minutes, you will have access to this bottom portion right here, and you want to select before the video, during the video, and after the video, and then you want to go to manage mid-roll ads. Now, how I add the ad breaks for videos to increase monetization. I just use it based off really attention span. I think most people have a short attention span when it comes to certain YouTube videos. So I add ad breaks in at every minute. I start at 30 seconds, right? Then a minute 30, 2 minute 30, we go to 3 minute 30, 4 minutes and 30 seconds, about 5:40. I just try to space them out on the grid on this little line, this little linear chart, so it looks evenly spaced out. And the thing about ad breaks, YouTube doesn't necessarily show an ad every time I place an ad break, but what it does is it tells YouTube systems and computers that this content creator, wants more opportunities for ads to be shown. It's not going to necessarily show an ad, but it's letting the computer know you want this many opportunities, or you took this many shots to get an ad, So overall, they will show you more ads than a person who doesn't do that. So that's my video for today. That's how you increase your CPM using tags. You need an extension like VidIQ or TubeBuddy. You're able to go in and you want to select tags with a high search volume with low competition. That's the key. Next, you want to make at least an 8-minute video. You always want to make at least an 8-minute video. Now it was 10 minutes, but now the golden number is 8 minutes. But this will allow you to add more ads. And when you add ads, you want to start at the 30-second mark and then add a minute after. Add an ad break a minute after. Like I said, the YouTube system, it won't show an ad every single time you add an ad break, but it just allows the system to know that, hey, you want more opportunities for ads to be shown on this video. So it will increase your revenue potential. So yeah, it's your boy YON WORLD. I hope y'all found some very valuable information in this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. That was my video for today. I'm out.